Hi Strike customers, James from Assembly, just showcasing the new iPhone 15 Cradle. This one is compatible with our Strike Clear case. So as you can see, Apple have changed to the USB-C for charging instead of the Lightning. Here it is docking. These Cradles all come with the USB-C to USB-C for fast charging, which is compatible with Apple CarPlay. Also, they come with a passive antenna, which is built in. They pair with our B2 and B3 range. So these Cradles are available on a few different mounting options. One, as you can see, the DIY install, which is the windscreen mount, and it comes with a car charger which will plug into your cigarette charger, and also a professional install which comes with a swivel mount and a DC-DC power pack, which will need to be installed by an auto electrician. You can also buy the Cradle as a head on the website, which you can purchase your own RAM mounting options to your liking. That's all available on our website, www.strike.com.au.